Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm going to show you how to make Facebook Instant Message not invisible on Facebook. Right here, I'm logged into Facebook, and you see over here, this is a list of all the people that are available to chat. And right now, I've got my chat turned off. I can turn chat on, and now they're available. You know, they can chat with me and get an instant message session going. But if I want to prevent that from happening, I can go into the options tab and say turn off chat, and that'll still leave them up. But any chat messages they try to send to me will go as email. Now, if you want to hide this, there's this little icon down here that makes it go away, and that completely pulls it away. However, if you want to bring it back, which is the original question, how to make it not invisible, you just go back down to your chat tab down here, click on that, and it brings them back, and then you can go turn chat or turn on chat, and it makes them all available, and you can get chat instant message interactions going again.